Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss exercise of chapter number 8. So, let's start. In previous video lecture, I have told you what is pronoun and what are personal pronouns. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Personal pronouns are used as subjects are I, you, he, she, it, we and they. Now come to the exercise. Underline the personal pronoun in these sentences. Students, you have to underline the personal pronoun in these sentences. So, let's start. I am a boy. So, where is personal pronoun? I. I is personal pronoun. You will underline it. She is my sister. She is personal pronoun. So, we will underline it. We will also underline my. We are twins. We is personal pronoun. We will underline it. He is walking slowly. We will underline he because it is personal pronoun. We sing and play together. We is personal pronoun. They speak English very well. They is personal pronoun. He goes to the market daily. He is personal pronoun. She is kind. She is personal pronoun. It is getting cold. It is personal pronoun. I love pizza. I is personal pronoun. You can keep this pen. You is personal pronoun. It is easy to use. It is personal pronoun. Now come to another exercise. Replace these subjects in these sentences with personal pronoun. Students, you have given subjects and you have to replace these subjects with personal pronoun. So, first question is Ram, Abdul and I go to the dance class together. Students, you can see there are many subjects. So, we will write here Ram, Abdul and I. We will replace it with we. Tia plays chess. Tia is a girl, so we will replace it with she. Ankita teaches poor children in the evening. Ankita is subject, we will replace it with she. Ashish, Kunal and Deepak are neighbors. They all are plural, so we will use Ashish, Kunal and Deepak. In place of these subjects, we will use they. The container doesn't have sugar. We will replace it and write here it. Radha cannot read or write. We will replace Radha and we will write here she. Mrs. Verma teaches me English. We will replace Mrs. Verma and we will write here she. Now come to the next page. Tom, Aditya and I study in a boys' school. So, we, Tom, Aditya and I. We will use we for Tom, Aditya and I. Aladdin had a magical lamp. Aladdin is a boy, so we will use here he. The children are wearing new clothes. We will replace children and we will write here they. The doll is my birthday gift. We will replace the doll and we will write here it. Suresh didn't do his homework. Suresh is a boy, so we will write here he. Now come to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct personal pronouns. Students, you have given blanks and we have to fill the correct personal pronoun in these blanks. So let's start. My name is Ashmit, blank am 7 years old. Students, we are in the question is talking about myself. Okay, so we will write here I am 7 years old. Rajat is my classmate, blank studied together. So we will write here we. Okay, Rajat and I am. So we are plural, so we write here we. Neeru is an intelligent girl, blank comes first in the class. Neeru is a girl, so we will write here she. My father is a doctor, blank treats patients. We are talking about my father, he is a man, so we will write here he. Parents go to the work in the evening and blank return in the Parents go to work in the morning, blank return in the evening. So we are talking about my parents. They are plural, so we will write here they, They. My sister and I like to play the guitar, blank practice every night before going to bed. So we will write here we. This is my house, blank is white in color. We are talking about house. So we write here it. Sudha is my sister's friend, blank meet every day. Sudha is my sister's friend and we are talking about Sudha. Okay. So we will write here she. Lippy is a clever girl, blank won many prizes last year. We are talking about Lippy, so we write here she. Carol and her family live in Goa, blank are our family friends. So we are talking about Carol and her family, so we write here they. Old man cannot walk, blank moves around in a wheelchair. So we are talking about the old man, so we will write here he. Puppy followed me everywhere, I think blank is hungry. We are talking about the puppy, so we will write here it. My watch has stopped working, blank fell into the water. We will write here it. Do you see that girl in the blue dress? Blank is my sister's friend. So we write here she. Mohit, Anil and I got drenched in the rain, blank were on our way to school. We. Now come to the next page. Now read these sentences. Personal pronouns used as objects are him, her, it, you, they, me and us. Students, in the previous exercise we are doing personal pronoun as a subject, but in this exercise we have to do the personal pronoun as objects, and as object example of personal pronouns are him, her, it, you, them, me and us. Okay, now let's start. The boy gave her flowers. Mother bought me some sweets. I love you. The dog bit him. Her, me, you and him are personal pronouns used as object. An object is a person or a thing that a subject acts upon. Now come to the next exercise. Underline the personal pronoun in these sentences. So first is I saw him yesterday. So I is a personal pronoun and him is also personal pronoun. You gave me the message. You is personal pronoun and also me is personal pronoun. Pooja met us at the mall. There is a personal pronoun us. Okay, only us. Pooja is noun. Us is personal pronoun. She brought a gift for them. We will underline she and also them. Both are personal pronoun. They are waiting for us. We will underline they and also us. She broke it. We will underline she and also it. Who is sitting next to you? You is personal pronoun. I will bring you a coffee mug. I and you both are personal pronoun. We went out with them. We and them both are personal pronouns. It doesn't belong to me. It and me both are personal pronouns. Who teaches you science? You is a personal pronoun. He is fond of her. He and her both are personal pronouns. Now come to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct personal pronouns. Baby birds cannot fly. Their mother has to feed blank. So we are talking about the birds. So we will write here them. THEM. My brother lends his bicycle to blank. So answer is him. HIM. Bingo our pet isn't well. Blank are talking blank to the vet. So we are taking him to the vet. Fourth, hi, how are you? Ravi and Raja, father is calling you. Saroj is so lazy. Blank doesn't study at well. No one can help blank. So answer is she. She doesn't study at all. No one can help her. Blank am happy today. I am happy today. Will blank teach all of blank to play chess? So answer is will you teach all of them to play chess? Monkeys have long tails. Blank use blank to hang from the trees. So answer is they use it to hang from the trees. Martha is cleaning blank room. Blank always blank tidy. Martha is cleaning her room. She keeps it tidy. My father bought a new car for blank. Blank is white in color. So my father brought a new car for me. It is white in the color. Girls play table tennis. Blank play blank very well. So we are talking about girls. So we write here they and play it. It represents table tennis very well. Now question number B. Rewrite these sentences correctly. Students, there are errors in these sentences. Okay, so we have to correct these error and write it correctly. So first is Lisa likes eggs. She can have it in any form. Students, keep it remember. It is the correct sentence. Okay, it is the correct sentence. Second, I am doing my homework. Mother is helping my. So my is wrong. We will write here me. I did not copy from she. So she is wrong. We will write here her. HER her. Mrs. Gupta teaches we art and craft. So we is wrong. We will write here US us. My brother is a sports person. She plays cricket. So brother is a man. So we cannot write here she. So she is incorrect. We will write here he. Now come to the next exercise. Vacuum cleaner was old. He broke. So he is wrong. We will write here it. Candies are not there. Someone has eaten they. They is wrong. We will write here them. The teacher showed we a film. So we is wrong. We will write here US us. Okay. Don't play with matches. Give them to I. So answer is don't play with matches. Give. We will cut they. We will write here them, and we will also cut me I and write here me. Our teachers are very nice. I like her. So her is wrong. We will write here them. Kabir knows I very well. We will cut here I and we will write here me. Peter, someone is calling you, or your is wrong, you is correct. So that's it for today, students. In the next video lecture, we will discuss another chapter, which is chapter number 9. Till then, you will complete your CW copy and HW copy. Thank you everyone.